After the bridge is opened and placed into service, inspection, maintenance, and rehabilitation of the structure fall under the umbrella of bridge or asset management. Bridge management is a set of methodologies and procedures established by the owner, replacement and emplacement and improvement of the bridges within the bridge inventory. Federal regulations for bridge inspections in the U.S. are provided in the National Bridge Inspection Standards. Stents are to be carried out every 24 months for bridges over 20 feet in length. More in-depth inspections on bridges containing non-redundant steel tension members, formerly known as fracture-critical members, are also to be carried out every 24 months. Underwater inspections are to be carried out every 60 months. While U.S. federal regulations lay out basic guidelines, these rules are actually enforced by the DOT.
Each state is responsible for implementing standards. Often, they include additional conditions. For example, expanding the types of bridges that require inspection, even covering structures shorter than 20 feet.
State guidelines require us to be out here more often than the federal mandate.
Let's run the ultrasonic test on this weld to make sure it's still solid.
Bridge load rating measures a bridge's ability to carry live loads, or referred to as tonnage. This assessment assists the bridge management process, ensuring public safety and determine if the structure needs to be posted. Bridge load rating can also help determine what rehabilitation of the structure may be necessary to increase the rating. Procedures for bridge management, inspection, and load rating are spelled out in the AASHTO Manual for Bridge Evaluation, or MBE.